What kind of sci-fi plot is this? The lead actress from Resident Evil, Milla Jovovich, just helped launch an open-source AI memory system called MemPalace with engineer Ben Sigman. Hello, welcome to AI Factory. And the moment it appeared, it shocked the AI community. On the AI memory benchmark Long MEM eval, it achieved the highest score ever recorded, 96.6% raw accuracy and 100% in hybrid mode. But here's the crazy part. MemPalace doesn't follow the path of existing AI memory systems. Most AI memory today works like this, a giant flat vector database that tries to retrieve relevant text chunks. MemPalace does something completely different. Its core idea comes from an ancient technique, the Greek memory palace. Instead of storing conversations in a flat database, MemPalace organizes them like a physical building. Imagine your AI memories structured like this. Lobby, all your conversations. Hallways, different projects. Rooms, specific people or topics. Drawers, the raw conversation logs. Your AI doesn't just search memory. It walks through a house of memories. Even more surprising, the entire system can run completely locally. No cloud, no API tokens, no expensive inference costs. Just simple components like Python, SQLite, vector storage, and suddenly your AI has long-term memory. But the most radical idea is this. MemPalace refuses to summarize memories. Why? Because summaries lose information. Instead, it keeps the raw conversations intact and relies on structure to organize them. This flips the entire philosophy of AI memory. The goal isn't just better retrieval. The goal is something much bigger, AI that actually remembers you. If this idea works, the future of AI may not depend on how big the model is. It may depend on how deep its memory is. And the person helping bring that idea to life, the star of Resident Evil.
Come to fruition at some point in the future when I get the funding for it. But during the process, I stumbled upon a bunch of problems that I knew needed to be solved if I was ever going to get it finished. And then I realized that those problems might actually be more important than the project itself, and I wanted to share it with people. The discovery led to what is now a system you can download for free on GitHub called MemPalace. Now, MemPalace is a unique method of AI memory storage and retrieval that truly is pretty mind-blowing. I obviously haven't done this by myself. My partner, Ben Sigman, who's my friend of 20 plus years and is one of the best developers and coders in the industry, has helped me, do this. And so while I am the architect, he's the engineer whose code makes it work as efficiently as we needed it to. So about 6 months ago, Ben told me about Claude CLI, and I immediately realized that as an artist who loves to write, Claude Code could turn my words and ideas into reality. Saying that, I quickly understood that AI only knows what's already been done. It's the humans running it that actually create something unique and different. Without our imagination and relentless curiosity, AI is just a search engine. It's the developers putting their code out and sharing their discoveries that make it possible to truly take what's out there and do something totally new and different. And we are the spark that drives innovation. That's what we've done with MemPalace. We've created a new and highly efficient storage and retrieval system that actually beats anything else out there. It's crazy. A way for any AI you work with in terminal to remember you and what you've been working on and your entire history in seconds. It's really an incredible developer tool, and we've put the code out on GitHub for free so anyone can install it, experiment with it, criticize it, personalize it, improve it, whatever you want. If you click on the link in my bio, it will take you to our GitHub repo. I really want your feedback, good and bad. Actually, I appreciate criticism more than anything because that's the only way we can correct mistakes and truly keep improving the way we store our information so that we can finally take the steps we need to make the tech less harmful to the environment, use less tokens, energy. And this is possible because you can run MemPalace locally on your computer, saving all those API calls and using all that GPU, which is awesome. Your ideas stay your own, and hopefully we can give some power back to the actual developers who make local models so much smarter and, more useful every day. So check it out. We really can't wait for everyone to try it and tell us what it was like. Tell us what your experience using it was like. Thanks so much. See you. Bye.